Hey, what's up, people? Welcome to another Microsoft Word 2019 tutorial. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to open a Word document. This is lesson 6, and let's get into it. Okay, the first step to open a new file, you should go to File menu. Let's go there. Let's click on the third option, Open. The shortcut to access this page is the combination of Control key plus O. So hold down the Control key and press O on your keyboard. In the recent menu, you can access the previous documents you have recently viewed. Okay, OneDrive is another option you're given. Using OneDrive menu, you can access the documents you have saved on your OneDrive. The next one, this PC. In this section, you can see default locations to save documents. All you need to do is to pick a folder, just click on it, it opens that folder, that location, and have access to the files, Microsoft Word files saved in that folder. The next one is add a place. Well, if you would like to add an online location to Microsoft Word, you can use add a place. But let's get into more useful, more handy options. Okay, let's click on browse. This option is going to be go-to option. It opens a dialog box. You can easily go through the locations, drives, your hard drive, and pick a location, pick a file you want and open it. So by clicking on your file, by choosing your file and clicking on open, it opens your file in Microsoft Word. Now let's get into details of opening a file. Okay, let's do it one more time. File, open, and let's click on browse. The dialog box opens. You can just one click on the file you want, and then you can see that open button becomes available to you. Click on the drop down menu. It opens a list. Well, the first one is open. When you click on open, it opens the file as is and you can edit it. If you click on open read only, it opens the file, but it's in read-only mode, so you can just read or view that file. You cannot make any changes to the file. Changes you make to this won't be saved. The next one, open as copy. So it won't open the original file, it creates a copy of it and it opens it for you. So any changes you make, it won't affect the original version. It just changes the copy of it. You see, the next two options are grayed out. Open in browser and open with transform. This option becomes available to you when you pick a web page file. It opens the file you choose, that web page file you choose in your browser, such as Google Chrome. Open with transform becomes available to you when you would like to open an XML file. Open in protected view. Let's pick that. Sometimes you download a Microsoft Word file from the internet, or you get it through email or from a friend. So in this case, files might be infected. They might contain viruses that can harm your computer. Even if that file is infected, you can open it in protected view and go through that document, making sure it does not contain any worms, trojans, and viruses. And once you're sure that the file is not infected, you can click on enable editing, so it opens it in a normal Word environment. The last one in that list is open and repair. So imagine you're working on a document and Windows crashes. Microsoft Word automatically saves copies of your documents through autosaves. But if Windows crashes or your computer resets, you can use this option, open and repair. So it opens the backup version of the document you were working on, so you can view it and repair it. So it automatically repairs that file and opens it for you. At the end, there are two ways to close a Microsoft Word document. The first one, let's go to File and click on Close. By doing this, your current document and the program, the Microsoft Word software, closes the same time. Other option is clicking on that X button on top right hand side, and by doing so it closes the software and your document. Okay, this is the end of our lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and click on the bell button so you'll be notified as soon as we drop a new video. And if you would like to check the next video, you can see it on the right hand side and the previous lesson on the left hand side. Stay tuned, people. Peace.